We're thrilled to introduce new prototype triggers, including on timeout, on long press, on keyboard shortcut, and on press enter. For example, let's use the on press enter trigger to create a smooth sign-in/sign-up flow. This handy feature is designed for smart components like drop-downs, text boxes, text areas, and search boxes. It activates when you click on these components in presentation mode to start editing. Once you finish typing your input, simply press enter to trigger the interaction. We've also enhanced scrolling behaviors for a more fluid experience. To enable scrolling in Visily, simply prepare your frame using a screen or click container. Ensure your content extends beyond the screen or container size. You can set content scrolling options. Choose between no scroll, horizontal, vertical, or both ways, allowing users to navigate freely in any direction. Additionally, you can keep specific elements fixed, like a navigation bar, while the rest of the screen scrolls. Just select the element and toggle on the fixed position when scrolling to keep its position steady. Finally, enter presentation mode to see these features in action. You'll enjoy free movement of the map component and seamless scrolling with the navigation bar securely in place.